So we'll start. Om Samasta Janakalyane Niratam Karunamayam Namami Chinmayam Devam Sadgurum Brahma Vidwaram Kujantam Rama Ramedi Maduram Maduraksharam Aruhya Kavita Shakhamam Valmiki Kokilam Ramaya Ramachandraya Ramaya Ramabhadraya Ramachandraya Vedase Raghunathaya Nathaya Sitaya Pataye Namaha Anjananandanam Veeram Janaki Shokanashanam Kapishamakshahamtaram Vande Lanka Bhayankaram. Hari Om. So we have seen so far 12 points. You also will agree. 12 thoughts we have seen. This is the 13th one, the art of presentation. How to present. So the art of presentation can be applied in many fields. Now as far as this the context is concerned, how Hanuman presented his subject is the art of presentation. Now, Hanuman went to Lanka and met our Sita Devi, consoled her and came back and presented. Presentation means he reported Rama. So how he reported, that is our point here. Okay. Now, Evam aspasya Vaidehim Hanuman Marutatmajaha Gamanaya Madim Krutva Vaidehim Abhyavadayat. Having done this much in Lanka in one day, the whole Sundarakandam explaining the one day activities of our Hanuman. Having done this much means you have to read complete Sundarakanda. Yes, having done this much, then he thought that he has to go back to Rama to report whatever happened in Lanka. So he did namaskar to Sita Devi. Yeah. What he has done there, Valmiki says, Rakshasan Pravaran Hatva, killing almost all the demons. When Hanuman went, half of the army, he just smashed there. Half of the bala of Ravana smashed by Hanuman. Rakshasan Pravaran Hatva Nama Vishrave Chatmanaha. He declared his own name. I am Hanuman Ramaduta. Samaswachata Vaidehi. Consoling Vaidehi. Darshayito Parambalam. He has shown his own strength also. This all he has done. Everything is given in Twapratyaya. Having done this, having done this, having done this. Okay. Then afterwards, Nagari Makulam Krutva. Just making Lanka perplexed, confused. Nagari Makulam Krutva Vanchayitva cha Ravan. And he met Ravana also. Consoled Sita Devi, went to Ravana's court, he met Ravana. Darshayitva Param Ghoram. Balam Ghoram. He has shown his power. Vaidehim Abhivadyach. Afterwards, he did namaskar to Sita Devi and started returning back. Pratigantum Anaschakre. He thought that I have to come back. Punar Madhyena Sagaram. How he came back? So he came back, in the Akasha only. Crossing the ocean. Tathassa Kapishardule Swami Sandarishana Utsukaha. To meet Rama, he came back, having done this much. Okay? When he came back, this is the very powerful sloka, the message he has given. Satabhyam pujita pujyaha kapibhischa prasaditaha drashta devi iti vikrantaha samkshepena nivedayate. So he came back. Before meeting Rama, all the monkeys were waiting here, the seashore. Because Hanuman went, he has to come back. All these monkeys, Vanaras are waiting. So first Hanuman has to come back. Hanuman has to come back. And he has to come back with the good news, expecting all these people, Hanuman. Hanuman came back and landed. Jambavan, Angada, all the great leaders were there and expecting the news. Anxiety. What will be the news? This is +2 examination. Anxiety. Tomorrow result. These children will not worry about result. Father only. Father's anxiety. I do not know which college I have to apply to this fellow. He is sleeping. Tomorrow examination. It's okay. This boy. Mother already got some fever. I do not know, tomorrow go. Right. So much of anxiety for parents. These people are relaxing. All these people are expecting what Hanuman going to say. Whether it is positive news or negative news. Expecting. When Hanuman comes, Jambavan says, the way Hanuman creates this sound, okay, I think he has done the job. Suppose the way you come inside, you can understand you have done it or not. When they come, suppose our boy goes and he brings the result. He just, that means he got pass mark. No need to ask anything, whether you got pass mark. I got pass. Oh, pass mark. If they come with, ma'am, finished. That means fail. The way they enter inside, we can understand what must have happened. The way Hanuman created sound when he was about to land, all these people understood, oh, positive. I think Hanuman met Sita Devi and consoled, came back. Success. When he returned, all these people did puja to Hanuman. Pujyaha. He used to be worshipped. Satabhyam pujitaha. The worshipful one is worshipped by everybody. All the monkeys came, the vanaras came and they brought that fruit. Somebody bring some that flower. And some few monkeys were touching the Hanuman tails also. When they touch Hanuman's tail, they feel fulfilled. They thought that I got success. Oh, everybody was doing puja to Hanuman. Satapyam pujita pujyaha kapibhischa prasaditaha. All these people welcomed Hanuman. Then Hanuman told first. Because all these people, when you are expecting what is the result, the child should not say that. First, ma'am, I went to my computer. Then I opened my computer. Then my friends also came. Okay, what happened to result? For that only I am coming. Listen. It took 5 to 10 minutes. What happened to result? First you tell me whether you got pass or pass mark more than 90. Then you tell other stories. Here when Hanuman landed here, Drashta Devi. The first, this is called presentation, art of presentation. Otherwise the boss was in the excitement. You went there, have you done this? Sir, first I got into this kind of bus. Then I went to that airport. As usual, I missed the flight. What happened there? You tell me the core point first. Don't put me in pressure because I have already the blood pressure. It's going up. What is the result? I am coming there. Don't make some suspense here. Before your result, I may die. Please tell me what happened. Immediately I have to say whether it is success or not. Drashta Devi. This is the information, the presentation we should learn from our Hanuman. First you tell whether it has happened or done or not. Drashta Devi. Devi has been seen. Vikrantaha samkshepena nivedeti. Very short, briefly he has explained. I have seen her. That's all. Now all people, they started celebrating. Okay, Hanuman, what that? He has seen Sita Devi. Then afterwards, they ask, now you sit down, you tell all the stories, what all the things happened on the way. Then Hanuman told. First I went, when he started, suddenly one mountain came. Oh, all the people started listening, complete the Sundaragand. You have to read that part. All the Vanaras heard Sundaraganda from Hanuman himself. Sundaraganda by Hanuman. So himself explains all the things happened and the whole story. And this is how he came back. Valmiki explains. And after that Hanuman also explains. The first point Hanuman told, Drashta Deviti. Thereafter he explained all the stories whatever happened there. This is called the art of presentation first. We have to train all our children that when you are working in a company, if your boss is sending you for some work, if you come back, first you have to tell whether the program is success or not. Thereafter, you explain all other things. So, father or mother, when they study Ramayana, you have to explain to your children that this is how you have to learn art of presentation. When you go to any company, you have taken the responsibility. When you come back, tell immediately the core point. Then afterwards, you can take rest. You can come back, explain other things. This is how the man should present to his boss. Okay. This is the first time. When Hanuman came, he presented Drashta Devi. Second time, all these people went because all the Vanaras, they have to go to Rama. Rama is waiting there. All the Vanaras flew and they went to Rama. They did Namaskar and Rama was expecting there. Because all other directions, the Vanaras went, they came back. Only southern direction, this team only did not come. After one of the day, they took 1 month extra. All the monkeys came one month before, then they were sitting there and eating all the vegetable and fruits there. And other monkeys also waiting for the southern direction. Those who have gone to southern direction. These people came and all these people waiting there. Rama also waiting. And he came there and did Namaskar to Rama. Hanumamscha Mahabahu Pranamya Sirasa Tataha Niyata Makshatam Devim Ragavaya Nivedayat. He went directly to Rama. The same presentation. Drashta Devi iti Hanuman Amurdopamam Vachanat Amurdopamam is equal to what that, the nectar like words. Drashta Devi iti Akarni Vachanam Ramo Harshamapa Salakshmana. Rama felt very happy. Suppose Hanuman would have told that. If Hanuman would have told that, Sita, getting it? Sita. It's very interesting that one great word that the poet in Tamil Nadu, he lived in Tamil Nadu in 12th century. His name is Kamban, Kavi Chakravarti Kamban. He writes this Ramayana, the whole Ramayana in Tamil. In his Ramayana, he says, Kandanan Sitayai. So he says in Tamil, Kandanan. First he brings Kandan means I've seen. Whom? Sita Devi. He brings Sita Devi, next first he brings his Kandan, I have seen. Otherwise, if Hanuman would have presented in this way, Sita Yai Kandan. Suppose Hanuman says Sita, Rama would have thought that, oh, she must have gone. Are you getting it? Rama's life would not be there to hear the second word. Are you getting it? Rama would have perished there. Sita Yai, all 5 pranas gone. Before what he hear, what is that, second word, you getting it? So you hear Kamban says, Kande, I have seen. Then he brought Sita Yai. This is how he presented. Here also the same Valmiki, Kamban followed Valmiki only. So Valmiki says, Drashta Devi. First you have seen. Who is that? Devi. Devi means Sita Devi. 2 times he told. First time to this team and second time to Rama. Now you understood the art of presentation. I have seen Sita. Is it okay? One more thing, what is there here? What is this art of presentation? Very simple matter you do. Yeah, seen Sita. What is the art of presentation? One more very nice point is. One more nice point you have to learn. Art of presentation. How to present. Organization is more important than individual. I'll come to this point, okay? Wherever you work, we have to give preference to organization than the individual. The Hanuman gave importance to organization, other people than the individual. Now, secret of sharing success. How to share the success with other people. We have to learn from Hanuman. And one more point. External growth and internal evolution. All these points Hanuman brought when he told Drashta Deviti. Okay? This is Drashta Devi. First Drashta means seen. Seen. Who has been seen? Sita Devi. Drashta Devi. So for noting down all the points, then I will go to next point. Okay? Shall I go? Now, in English, active voice, passive voice we studied. Ne? We studied active voice, passive voice. In Sanskrit, the active voice, passive voice is kartari prayoga, karmani prayoga. The active voice is karta. Karta means I. A very active ego. Good. Ego is very active. I. Karta. Passive voice is karmani. Karma, action. Getting it? Is it okay? So more than this, in what that English, the Sanskrit word conveys very subtle, directly. The meaning is very direct. Karta, karma. Karta means the doer. Karma means the action. Anyway, active, passive also you include, because we are learning English also. In active voice, I cooked food. Okay, I cooked food. Who cooked this food? First you will say, who cooked this food? First you tell me whether it's good or bad. Good, then I. Who cooked this food? This is not good, okay? As all people, we all came together, then we cooked. If it is good, I will take that credit. If it is bad, then I will bring other people. Vegetable is not good. The rice is not good. Climate is not good. Everywhere the corona is going, that's why this is not good. Hey, what is the connection between corona and food? You have to connect somehow. If it is good, I cooked food. When I say I cooked food, I comes first. Getting it? Karta, I. Now see, food has been cooked. You have the choice that you can put by me or you cannot put this. You getting it? You can cut it, you can put it. Food has been cooked, that's all. Who cooked is not that taking the place. The food, the action has been done. By whom? I do not know. The action is given that priority in karmani prayoga. The actor is given priority in kartari prayoga. When you notice here, when Hanuman presented, so one thing, in one way he presented Drashta Devi. You getting it? Seen Devi. So one point. Second point, Drashta means she has been seen. Are you getting it? She has been seen by whom? Hanuman never told by whom. Are you getting it? Even though he did it. Hanuman never told that I went and I saw. No. He never has taken this credit to himself. This is the art of presentation. Generally he told, Drashta, she has been seen, that's all. By whom? He never told that. Getting it or not? Art of presentation. Now you go back to your own, this kind of that. In the art of presentation, when you say that, action is given more important than the individual. Are you getting it? The individual is growing external growth and internal evolution. I drop my ego and I give more importance to that action. Whether we are working in the company or office or organization, wherever you work, when we do something, we have to give importance to the work and not the individual. Okay? Suppose I say, I did it, my ego comes up, organization goes down. If I say, the work has been done, by whom? By all people. Everybody contributed. Work has been done, my ego goes down. When my ego goes down, I grow inside. When I give importance to work, organization also goes up. From this word, that one information of our Hanuman, we are also growing inside, organization also growing outside. Getting it? External growth, at the same time internal evolution also, by Hanuman's presentation. And one more thing, secret of sharing success. Sita has been seen means what? Everybody contributed, I am sharing the success to everyone. Getting it or not? So here organization, the work is more important than the individual. Even though Hanuman did himself, he never took this and he presented in such a way that everybody was included in that. Organization also is growing and my evolution also is coming. Everybody felt very happy. Getting it? This is the art of presentation. Now you understood this, okay? Yes. Suppose the father says that, father, hey, my friend is coming for the evening. How many? 2-3 people are coming. 2 or 3? Okay, 3 people are coming. Cook something. The mother says that, no, I can't. Why? I can't means I can't, that's all. Then father says, The elder daughter is there. Elder daughter. Yes, dad. Can you cook something for my friends? I have examination. Younger daughter. Younger daughter. Can you cook? Of course I will cook. I am ready to cook. But one thing that you lose your 3 friends. When you cook. Because I am learning now. I want to cook. Very nice chance I cook. I learn, but sometimes we may do. The father gets angry. He says, I do not know 3 people are in this house. You do something. I need to have food by 7:30. Okay? I do not know who will do, but I need the work has been done here. Are you getting it? The work should be done. That's all. Not who has done the work. The work should speak, not the person. Person should not, I only did it. No, the work itself is speaking that. Then we ask, who did this? The work will pull that person who has done this work. This is Hanuman's presentation. Very nice. Now, see one more point. When Hanuman says the Drashta Deviti, he shared the success and he never brought himself a friend and he includes every contributors to that work by telling Drashta Devi. Sita has been seen. By whom? I tell you, so many people contributed. Rama contributed. Rama only gave his ring to me. Because of Rama only I met her. Rama contributed. The whole work is, what is that? Rama's work only. Okay, Rama contributed. And Sugriva only sent this, team to southern direction. Because of Sugriva only, Sita has been seen. Okay? Angada only asked me to go there and he only put this signature in this, the certificate. That's why the permission he only gave. Angada gave because of Angada. Sampati only told that she is sitting there, you go, somebody should go and meet her. Because of Sampati only, Sita has been seen. Actually, Jambavan only inspired me to go there. Because of Jambavan only, Sita has been seen. All the monkeys were sitting here and doing tapas, they are doing prayer to, Hanuman should come back. Otherwise, I would have perished there itself. All the monkeys contributed. Actually, Sita Devi only protected me. When Ravana asked to put fire in my tail, because of Sita's prayer, the Agni Devata did not touch me. Sita Devi only protected because I have Sita Devi only. And Vibhishana also protected me. Ravana ordered the people to kill Hanuman. Vibhishana came and Vibhishana protected me. That's why Sita has been seen and I am here to tell the information. Actually, all the Devatas' blessings also I had. When I went there, Surya Devata did not burnt me. All the Devatas helped. All these people contributed. Getting it? To have darshan of Sita. Hanuman, even though he did actually, he never took credit that I have seen Sita. He told that Sita has been seen. By whom? By all these people. This is called art of presentation. Getting it or not? So this, anywhere, wherever we work, when we present like this, everybody will be liked. We are liked by everyone. Why? Suppose in any school, the plus 2, okay, plus 2. The child studies from the school from LKG to kindergarten to plus 2, higher, senior secondary. When the children, they get more mark, some or the district first or some first, okay, and they come. And all this, suppose the management is encouraging or recognize only the plus 2 teachers. Maths teacher, science teacher. Because of this, the teachers, our children have got this many marks. Actually, this child has got this mark 12 years back or 14 years back, the KG teacher introduced A, B, C, D. You getting it? The 4th standard teacher only taught A plus B whole square plus 2AB. We never forget that. And 8th standard sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. 1 by sin square A is equal to cos square A. Cos square A minus 1 is equal to sin square A. 1 by sin square A is cosecant A. 1 by cos A is secant A. 1 by tan A cot A. All these formulas 8th, 9th, the teacher only introduced me. Pi square A, pi r square A, pi r square H, pi r square, 2 pi r. All this what that is. These people only taught. Then I went there slowly. Oh, when I am ready, this +1, +2 teacher came. They pushed me. I went there. You get? So from kindergarten, all the teachers contributed to get this mark. Getting it or not? So we have to take everybody with us to recognize this mark. This Hanuman has done this. Whoever is recognizing the person, you have not done yourself. Everybody contributed. You have to give this success to all the people. How to share success? How to present the success? This you have to reflect more and more to get very deeper meaning in that. How to share success. Otherwise, if Hanuman goes, suppose now you think, Hanuman goes and comes back. I have done, how much I did there. Almost half of the Lanka is finished. How many Rakshasas I killed, I have list now. How many houses I burned, I have list. He took photograph, selfie. How many houses, how many people I killed. I met Sita Devi. I consoled her, actually. It's very good. Nothing will happen to her. When Hanuman or the presence like this, even Jambavan also will look at her, see, I only sent this fellow there. Jambavan will think, hey, I only sent this fellow, he is talking more about himself. Sugriva, Angada, see, I should not have sent this fellow, see, he is talking too much. Angada will tell like this. Think. Jambavan also will think like this. All the monkeys, for this only we are standing here in one leg. All this credit he is taking. You go and tell Rama, we are not coming. All the monkeys will tell. Okay, they will not come. You go because you only you are doing this kind of damba. It's called damba. No, you getting it? Suppose you just imagine how Hanuman presented. Suppose you do in a reverse direction. If Hanuman would have presented like this, what is the thinking of Jambavan, Angada and Sugriva? Getting it? See how he has done the work and how he reported in a very nice way so that every people, Hanuman, Angada says, Hanuman, you only did, but why you are presenting like that? Angada sings. Jambavan says, see how very nicely this person presents. And all other monkeys, actually Hanuman, you did. Why you are including us also into this? Getting it? So everybody's heart is filled with Hanuman's presentation. When we want to make nice society, when you want to make everyone into our team, then small work also we have to recognize and we have to take people with us. As many people when we have in our team, the work is very, very easy and work will be very, very joyful work. You agree? Very joyful. Otherwise, they may smile at that face level, the back level. Actually, in this success, 80% I only contributed. But this person, because finally he came and he touched that switch, everything is open. I only connected all the circuit. My name is not coming. So you have to take everyone should they have contributed, take it. This is the art of presentation, art of sharing success. Okay, we have to learn from Hanuman. Next one, individual's role play in an organization. And few days back, our people asked us, sir, you are explaining from that boss standpoint, management standpoint. You have to bring some few points from a subordinate standpoint also. How to manage boss. So far, you have presented how to manage people, That's okay. I am very good. I am very good subordinate, a very good supervisor. How to manage my boss? Is there any points? A few points are that individual's role play in an organization. So we have to understand our role in an organization. Is it okay? Now see this. Tanumani Sangadan. Drashta Devi Nacha Anita iti Tatra Nivedanam Ayuktamidi Pashyami Bhavadbihi Kyata Vikramaihi. Now Hanuman came and presented that Drashta Devi. After that, what they have done? After that, Angada comes forward. Angada is a leader there. Then he has to take next step. Angada says, hey Hanuman, very good, you said that you have seen. Okay, now what we have to do next? Angada says, okay, Hanuman, you found that Sita is sitting there and we should not go to Rama without taking Sita. Drashta Devi nacha anita iti, nacha anita. Sita was not brought. Simply Sita was seen. So we should not go to Rama without taking Sita. Ayuktamiva pashyam, that is not right. So anyway, you have seen Sita, we all go to Lanka, we finish over that, the remaining Rakshasas, we will take Sita Devi, and over that palanquin, we will take Sita Devi to Rama. We have to do like this only. This is the leader's opinion, Angada's opinion. Now Hanuman's role is over. Are you getting it? Hanuman went and came back, Drashta Devi, that's all, Om Rama 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 Rama, he said, started chanting. Hanuman understood his role. And Hanuman told that hereafter, Angada, you have to take care. Finished. Role number 1. Hanuman was that did not cross his role. You're getting it? Now from subordinate standpoint, when what that the top leader, supervisor given to me some job, I have done, I have handed over this to supervisor, that's all. Now the supervisor's job to take next step. Hanuman understood his role and stopped there. Drashta Devi, finished. If you want to ask me, if you want to tell me what happened, then I told all the things, what are the things happened when I went there, when I met Sita Devi, I explained, that's all. After that, Hanuman did not say anything. Hanuman's role is over. Like this, everybody should understand our role in our organization, then we should not cross our role. Getting it? Hanuman. Now, what Angada says here, the next supervisor, leader, no, anyway, we have to take Sita Devi, then we have to go and hand over. This is leader's opinion. And he started speaking like that. At that time, our Jambavan comes. Anyway, Jambavan there, ne? Jitva Lankam sa raksha ugam hatva tam ravanam rane Sita madaya gachamaha. The same point is repeating, okay. So we will take Sita Devi after finishing all the point. Now, our Jambavan comes. Because when leader brings this kind of opinion, advisor should come there. Advisor should take the role there. Advisor is waiting for the role. This is my role. Tamevam krita sankalpam Jambavan harisattamaha. Jambavan comes there. Uvacha parama pritaha vakyam arthavit. One who knows the meaning, he told meaningful words to Angada. Angada, hey Angada, you should not do this. So last day you have this kind of thing. Once more. Yeah. Our dear, what that day. But, okay. Only today you see this. Okay, tomorrow there is no class. Just one more time. Our Jambavan comes. Jambavan says, Naisha buddhir maha buddhyayad bravishi mahakape. Hey Angada, what you told is not right. Vichetum vayam agnyapta dakshinam disham uttamam. Sugriva sent us to find out Sita. Are you getting it? Vichetum vayam agnyapta. Vichetum. To what that? To find out Sita. To search Sita, to find out Sita only, we have been given this what the role. Na anetum kapirajena naiva ramen. Rama never told us to bring Sita. Kapiraja, Sugriva also never told us to bring Sita. So we have to understand when you receive the information, you have to read one time or 2 more times. So you have to read properly your instruction. Only Vichetum vayam agnyapta na anetum. Getting it? Only to find out Sita only we have been sent. Not to bring Sita by Rama, Kapirajena Ramen. Are you getting it? So the senior most person, the advisor, noted this kind of point very nicely. We should have this kind of person in our life. With all enthusiasm when we do, the advisor will stop, 1 minute. This is the rules and regulations. Some people, some meeting, always they will write for the rule. Simply they will not talk, they will watch everything. Have you finished? I finished. Shall I talk? Shall I talk means what? They will bring some rules and regulations. This is the rule. I appreciate your enthusiasm, you are initiating everything, but this rule, you just go by this rule. We should have this kind of person in our team. Otherwise, working is different and enthusiasm is different. Somebody should guide us properly. If you have this kind of person in your team, we are very, very lucky person. Because by so much of bubbling enthusiasm, we may make mistake. Somebody should guide us. Here he comes. No. Anetum ayam ajñapta, na anetum, vichetum ayam ajñapta, na vichetum. Na anetum. We should not bring. So Rama did not say, and Sugriva also did not say. We have to stop it. So you have to understand your role. Are you getting it? Now, as a subordinate, when you are working in a company, we should know the instruction to be fulfilled. More than that, we should not. Getting it or not? This is not from boss standpoint. This is a standpoint from what a subordinate, the worker. Getting it? Yeah, you got it. Leadership insight. Know your limit in your work first. Most of the time, what happens when we poke our nose into others are more than our limit. The nose is going toing. And then like, cut. That's why we call it nose cut. Why you are bleeding? Nose cut. What happened? I crossed my limit. When we cross our limit in any other company organization, they will cut. And they will say, oh, sir, this is not your job. Again, they will say, this is not your job. Yeah. So what is my job? When we understand what is my role, my limit, we are very happy in that company. When you cross our limit, when you cross our role, then this is not your role. You getting it? So nobody is crossing their limit and they are not doing others' role. First you have to know your limit from subordinate angle, okay? Those who asked 2 days back, please tell me from this angle also. It's not from boss standpoint, from subordinate standpoint. We have to know our role, we should not cross. Have commitment for the task. Sometimes what happens, this is my role, this is my limit, that's all. We will be very, very sharp. No, we should not be very sharp. We have to commit completely to the organization, the company. Commitment should be full. At the same time, we should know our line also. Here what happens, I draw only lines. This is not my job, this is not my job, this is not my job. Sir, the company is in fire, so you have to put it up. That is not my job. Sir, you also will go to Brahmaloka. Commitment should be, you have to take the whole company. If something happens, then you have to inform to the proper department. That is not my job. Why should I inform this? Are you getting it? If somebody came and somebody kept some bag, say some suspicious bag is there. Why should I? We go and we touch this. That's all. Along with the bag, this man went to the other local. If you have to, the commitment should be there. I hope you are getting the point there. So we have commitment for the task, have commitment for the company. So you have to be very loyal to the company. So many people are working there. We have to take care. The commitment should be there. At the same time, we should know our line. Sometimes what happens, this is my line, I will not commit. No, that should not be like. So we are more detached with this kind of thing. So then if you are a parent to this the school is giving more the positive thing to the child. Even though the parent is connected to the child, the school more than 10 years, they say this is your school, this is my boy. So more than 10 years you are having connection with the school, you have to say this is our school. They never say. Completely detached. Getting it? More than 10, 12 years the teachers are working for small misunderstanding will come. So they never say that more than 10, 12 years they have a relationship. Your school. Who is this? My boy. Then how you will connect? How you can make this kind of a society? So you have to make the commitment should be there. So my school, they should have this kind of my school. They should feel proud of that school. I hope you are getting the point. The commitment, the school, the company, at the same time the limit. Okay. Learn to express your thought when time comes. Sometimes, why should I express my thought, get into problem? What is your opinion? Why are you sitting here? Simply, you called me for meeting. Why should I say something and get into problem? So when time comes, you have to express. Otherwise, you should not come to meeting. So Dharma says that, Viduraniti says, if you come to meeting, you have to express your, when time comes, you have to express your idea. Otherwise, you should not come to meeting. You get out. Why? You have Dharma in that assembly. When you feel that this is my role, I have to tell my opinion, you have to tell. You should not feel bad about it. This is the right thing, this is the wrong thing, whether you have, you take it or not. But Jambavan recorded his message. Luckily, our Angada has received and Angada applied this idea, but Jambavan expressed, this is my idea. Whether Angada you receive it or not, this is it. Getting it? From subordinate level, how people should work in the company also recorded in Ramayana. Not only from boss standpoint. Is it okay? And next, celebrating the success. One more subordinate angle. This is not from boss angle. One more. Now you understood, okay? From this, what the standpoint also. I hope you are getting it. Yes. Say yes, please. Yes. From subordinate. How we have to work in a company. We should know our limit. At the same time, we have to have gratitude and what the commitment to the whole company also. This is a different kind of balance. Sometimes when you commit totally. We get into problem. And boss will ask you, everywhere you are going and poking your nose. Sir, commitment, boss. I commit. Don't need to have this much commitment. Okay, hereafter I will not do anything. When we go in every aspects of the company. Otherwise, we will not do anything. Why you are not talking? Boss only told. Sir, we should not be completely committed. We should not shrink. We should know how to. You get that? The plasticity should be very nice. The molten stage. Then only we can. We can mold something. It should not be very hard. At the same time, it should not be like water. You getting it? The semi-solid form. You understood. Celebrating the success. And they understood. They met Sita Devi and Hanuman came and they decided, no, we should not go and bring Sita Devi. We have to go to Rama. Come, we all go to Rama and we will inform him. Hey, all monkeys. No, see. All the monkeys. And ordinary monkey, if it's ordinary, ordinarily if it exists, it does all kinds of chasta. If monkey is happy, finished. Ordinary monkey itself, the chasta we cannot are getting it. Satvika monkey's activity itself. When monkey is very happy, now you see what is that? The crores of monkeys. Yo. All the monkeys started here and Angada could not control this monkey, Vanarasena. All the monkeys. When they started moving towards Rama to inform about Sita Devi, the monkeys in between, they stopped. Angada, leader sir, CEO sir. Angada, yes, we want to celebrate this program. Party should be arranged. All these monkeys came, party. The party concept came in the Ramayana. Yeah, party. But we are telling party, they have their own the idea or words. We have to celebrate because we are very happy. After 2 months only we are very happy. 2 months we are very tensed. Thanking Hanuman. Why celebrating this party? To thank Hanuman. Okay, tell him thank you. No. You have to celebrate and tell thank you. You have to celebrate. All the monkeys wanted to have a party. You have to celebrate this. What the happy, what do you call the? And then this is Angada, okay? Angada is Nachaham Yavvarajan. One thing, so I have to tell the background. I have to tell the background. Vali was killed by Rama. So Vali was killed by Rama. Sugriva only brought Rama to kill Vali. The relationship between Vali and Sugriva was brothers. Vali is the elder brother, Sugriva younger brother. So Vali did not allow Sugriva to live in Kishkinda. He did what kind of thing he did to Sugriva? Sugriva brought Rama. Rama killed Vali. So Vali's son was kept as prince of this Kishkinda Rajya. But Vali's son Angada did not do that. He had very different relationship with Sugriva. Whenever Vali's son Angada looks at Sugriva, Sugriva looks at Vali's son. You getting it? Underneath only. In the presence of Rama, they will hug. You understood the relationship? Because Rama is there. Rama only made Angada as prince. Because Vali only doing all the bad things, not so that this boy is small boy, young boy. You have to give position to Angada. Now, when after 1 month, okay, the time got exhausted, at that time Angada started feeling, yo, I cannot go back. If I go back, this Sugriva will kill me. Because Sugriva is already, he only brought Rama to kill my father. Okay, this kind of thought Angada had in his mind. Angada has this mind, in his mind. So when I go back, whenever is a chance, if he gets chance, he will finish my life. Because of Rama only I am happy now. If Rama goes to Ayodhya, I do not know what will happen in Kishkinda. Getting it? Because of Rama's presence only he is treating me properly. This is the thought of Angada. Angada is Nachaham Yavarajena Sugrivena Abhishechitaha. Sugriva did not make me as prince. Narendrena Abhishikto Asmi Ramena Aklishta Karmana. Rama, because of Rama only I became prince of Kishkinda Raj. Sugriva did not do. He only brought Rama to kill my father. Because of Rama's grace only I became like this. Okay, he started blaming Sugriva. If I go back, Sugriva will kill me. He had this kind of thought about Sugriva. Sometimes when you see the people are very nice and got shaking their hands, no, doing like this. Why shaking? No, doing like this. And they are talking. But inside, when you go and hey, but you were talking very nicely, but why you are talking bad about that person? You do not know. The story is a different background story. Like this here, Angada, he is telling that Sugriva is not. If chance comes and he may finish my life. Because of Rama only, I am like this kind of the thought he had our Angada. And he says that, Yaf Puram Baddavairo Mam Raja Adrishta Vetikramam. Because already he is not liking me. Because he didn't like my father. Because I am son of Vali. Anytime he may finish me. Keeping this kind of Baddavaira. Vaira means what? The enmity. Ghadaishad Dandena Tikshena Kritanishchayaha. If time comes, he may kill me. This is the thought of Angada about Sugriva. Okay, now this background is very, very important. Now, okay, they went and they met Sita Devi. All the Vanara Senas are going to Ram. On the way, now Vanaras are, now stop here, we have to do some, party, then only we have to go. And they were asking, on the way, we have one great forest, what you call Nandavana. Nandavana means some garden, very big garden. 200, 300 acres of land. It has got all kinds of the best fruit over the trees. With all best fruits. And honey also available there. So much of honey. Gallons of honey and fruits. This garden is called Madhuvanam. This Madhuvanam is protected by Sugriva. Sugriva's Madhuvana. Getting it? The caretaker of that Madhuvana is what the Dadimuga. Sugriva asked one group of monkeys, you go and take care of this Madhuvana. So Sugriva has got one farmhouse and farm. Taking care. These monkeys were asking Angada, please allow us to go to Sugriva's Madhuvana and take all the fruits. Angada already, you know what kind of background I gave? If all the monkeys, Angada, suppose sends all the monkeys, you go and enjoy Sugriva's Madhuvana, directly Sugriva will come and kill Angada. You getting it? Because I told the background. Already Angada had this kind of that relationship with Sugriva. Already Sugriva is not liking me because he didn't like my father. I got connection with my father. Sugriva may not like me. If I send all of you there, you getting it? Definitely Sugriva will think that, see this man, this boy, Vali's son, he spoiled my Madhuvana, which I protected very nicely. Madhuvana is very dear to Sugriva. Getting it? Are you getting it? The connection? Sugriva may think that, see, this boy sent all the monkeys to my Madhuvana, he spoiled my Madhuvana because he is Vali's son. Sugriva may think like that. You're getting already the relationship between Sugriva and Angada in the underground, where the relationship is little not nice. If Angada sends this monkey to Madhuvana, these monkeys will, Satvika monkey itself will spoil this. All the monkeys are very happy. If these people go there and spoil Sugriva's Madhuvana, definitely Sugriva will think, see, this person is looking for the chance to spoil my Madhuvana, therefore he sent all the monkeys to my Madhuvana. The misunderstanding may happen. You agree? Are you getting the point? So what to do now? Sugriva, now our Angada has to take decision to send all the monkeys to Madhuvana to enjoy. Because they want to have a party here. So who has to sanction? Leader. Angada has to sanction. Now Angada is afraid of Sugriva now. Why? The background I have told you. Angada is afraid of Sugriva. The Sugriva's Madhuvana. All these Vanaras, they want to go to Madhuvana. But Angada is now in trouble. If I send you there, Sugriva may misunderstand me. If I don't send you there, you will smash me. All these people will beat Angada. Otherwise, they will not hear Angada's command. Okay, because it's bubbling enthusiasm. Now, this is the problem of Angada. How to take decision now? Okay, so Angada is feeling bad now. This is Angada only. Angada is sitting and feeling bad. I do not know how to come out of this problem. But Angada has to decide. Sometimes we will come into this kind of situation in our life. Okay? When we take decision, he may misunderstand. But I have to take decision. Getting it or not? So what Angada did, very interestingly, he called Yat tat madhuvanam nama Sugrivasya abhirakshitam adrishyam sarvabhutanam sarvabhuta manoharam. It's a very nice place, that's all. This is honey and fruits, okay? Sample only I brought. Tataste vanara hrishta drishtva madhuvanam mahatu kumaram abhyayachanta madhuni madhu pingala. We want to take this madhu, honey and fruits, please allow us. All these monkeys you like? Tadak kumaratan vriddhan. Now what our Angada did here, he just called Hanuman, Jambavan, Neela, all the great leaders he called. First you come, all the monkeys go that side, go. He called all the leaders. He has to take decision, okay? Angada has to take decision. Now I call Jambavan, what is your idea? Jambavan said, you have to send. Hanuman, what is your idea? You have to allow these people to enjoy. Then he asked Hanuman, Jambavan, all these people to sign in the, that notebook. What do you call that notebook in the meeting? Minutes of the meeting, thank you. Minutes of the meeting. In the immediate emergency meeting he had, and he started bringing this point. So this is the monkeys' request from all the monkeys, and all the people came. Angada is writing. All the people came, particularly Jambavan only gave this kind of idea. Hanuman also, I getting it? Hanuman also said okay. Jambavan also said okay. Then we'll give this later, little later. We'll do this little later. Distracting. In the minutes of the meeting, Jambavan also said okay, Hanuman also said okay, and other important monkeys also said okay. Now therefore, I also agree with them. Agreeing it. Now the minutes went to Sugriva. Yeah, okay. Anyway, Hanuman said okay. If Hanuman says okay, everything is okay only. Jambavan told okay. Now see, Tata Kumaraha. Kumaraha means Vali Sutta. Tan Vruddhan Jambavat Pramukhan Kapin. Jambava and etc. means other people. Hanuman. Hanumanye Tadau. Hanumanye means having, what that? Getting the approval. Taking the approval from those elders like Jambavan and the others. Approval is very important. Then he said, Dadau Tesham Nisargam Madhubakshane. After that, Angada told, yes, you go and enjoy. All the Vanaras went and started. They see. Tatassa Anumata Sarve Samprahrishta. Anumata means not Hanuman, approved. Are you getting it? Hanuman is different. Anumata is different. Anumata means approved by. And they went, they started enjoying. Gayanti kechite, pranamanti kechite, nrityamti kechite, prasanti kechite, patanti kechite, virachanti kechite, plavanti kechite, pralavanti kechite. All the monkeys, they started enjoying. Some were singing, some were offering salutations. You getting it? I enjoy. And some were dancing, laughing loudly, falling down, moving in different directions, jumping up. One more. Enjoying. And one more. I enjoying. You getting it? And one more. I enjoying. All these monkeys, different. They just started enjoying. Because they are in that enthusiasm, we should not suppress their feeling. We have to allow them to enjoy. This is the time. Angada has to take the decision. He took decision. Now see, this is subordinate standpoint. Getting it? Not from the top of boss standpoint. Now, you like this picture? Yes. They are sitting and bringing all the nice pictures. Should be a happy mood, okay? See, this fellow is with banana is hanging like enjoy. They worked very hard. They have to enjoy this to express their feel. Okay? So the party is allowed according to Ramayana. And somebody, you have done something great. And party should be Satvik party. According to Ramayana, Madhu means honey, not other thing, okay? Here also it is Madhu Pakshane. Madhu means honey, Satvika, that's all. So the management, the thing is here, study of decision making. Okay, first is what kind of decision making? Decision making study. How to take, when to take, whether we can have decision or not. All this. Then where to have individual decision and collective decision. Are you getting it? Suppose we are waiting for some train. At that time we cannot have meeting. So train has come. Whether I can get into this train or not. You come, all of you come. What do you call the connection? What do you call this? A conference call. Thank you. Conference call. So you call, the train is standing here. Can I get into this train? What is your opinion? Train started. Sir, this is individual decision. Individual decision. When you go to hotel, you order something. I do not know whether puri or chapati. You have a conference call. What is your opinion? What shall I order? Sir, this is individual decision, sir. The individual decision. So where to take individual, where to take collective decision? You getting it? The collective decision. Decision should make us very happy. The decision should make us very. Decision should not create problem. Now suppose this person would have taken decision himself, he would have got into problem. Our Angada, decision should not make some problem, because that's why he was hesitating. Angada was hesitating whether we can take decision or not, but he was compelled to take decision. Whenever situation comes like this, one more point to add here, okay? One more point to add. I got one more point. When you take this kind of tough decision, you include other people also in that. You add one more point. The tough decision include main person in the decision. Why? If it goes wrong, other people also we can collect. I didn't take decision. We only took decision. Suppose a risky decision, when we take risky decision, something goes wrong, everybody will point us only. Because of this person only everything happens. This person. If you take collective decision, if the what do you call it, situation is risky, collective decision. If situation is very safe, I will take decision. You getting it? So see the Angada's what that very deeper kind of very practical, very practical. What kind of decision? This decision, if I say okay, I will be any problem. So what is your opinion? Your opinion. So that opinion also you have to record in the minutes of the meeting. Otherwise they'll say, I didn't say. They may say, I didn't say. No, you minutes of the meeting, you put your signature. Tomorrow, no, now, do signature. Safety angle. Because if you take decision, if everybody starts over that hitting you, what do you call it, blaming you, so you cannot withstand all this, what do you call it, the blames. We may go into depression. So it's better to follow Angada's style. Okay, one more point you can add. The risky decision include other person also into that, so that we will be little relaxed. Suppose the people, if they start blaming us, we have to take, they are blaming you also. Why? We are not taking stress. We have to stress you. Because of you only, I actually, because you only told. All four people come together, then we'll worry together, that's all. So when problem comes, we have to distribute. Getting it? Otherwise, we will take problem. We will be in problem. If it is a risky decision, come, we will take risky decision. Because you are elderly person, you are a very wise person, you have to call like that only. Otherwise, they will not come. You are very elder person in the family. But in an earlier case, you never called. Now hereafter, I will call. Come on. You are elderly person, you are wise person, you are learned person. Everybody should come. We will take some decision. You put your signature. Something goes wrong. You call all the people. We only took decision. We will not say I took decision. We only took decision. We only did it. We means what? 5 people. So when we receive the problem, we can distribute and we will sleep very nicely. Why? Other people also not getting sleep, we are also not getting. So we need to have some people with us in the risky decision. That is the point. Very, very powerful and practical point from Ramayana. Through Angada we learned. Okay? I know you understood this. Decision making, one more decision making. So I will go a little faster and finish, okay? The 20 points. So today is a 20-20 match. 5 over, I have to get 40 runs. 20-20, 6, one more decision making. Everything goes over that systematically. From opposite side, our Vibhishana came to take over that surrender, to take Saranagati. Because he gave a very nice message. He advised Ravana. Ravana did not listen. Vibhishana came and took out the refuge. See, he came to Rama and standing in the Akasha with the 4 ministers. Vibhishana was standing there with the 4 ministers. He told, all the monkeys were sitting there in the seashore. They have to build that. Before building the bridge, Vibhishana came. And Vibhishana told, whole monkeys, please go and inform Rama. I want to join in Rama's team. Sugriva only saw him. Hey, this is very dangerous fellow. He is coming from opposite side. I do not know. This is not the right time to come here to join. He may come in our team and he may confuse. So all the monkeys have doubt with our Vibhishana. Okay, now here the decision making. Vibhishana's arrival. Vibhishana came here and Rama was sitting somewhere else. The main monkeys, the leaders were looking at Vibhishana. Vibhishana informed these people. Now, first our Sugriva came and Sugriva informed Rama. Rama, Vibhishana came here. I think that Vibhishana, if he comes and if he mixes with our team, he may create confusion. Be careful. Don't include Vibhishana in our team. This is my opinion. Sugriva told himself. Rama never asked. Sometimes without, we will go to boss. Boss, be careful. This person will come. Don't give space. Because we know boss nature. Be careful. That's all. Oh, you are very sharp. You understood so many things. First, Sugriva came. Be careful. You should not take this Vibhishana. This is the opinion of Sugriva. When Sugriva told like that, Rama asked other people opinion also, others opinion. You call all the people Hanuman, Jambavan, Nila, Nala, Mainda, Dvivida, all these leaders come. Sukurdam artha kirchireshu yuktam bhuttimada sada samarthena upasandeshtum shashvati bhuti michata. This is the critical place. Whenever the person gets very critical place, at that time he has to get the opinion of his own friends and relatives. So I have got this kind of critical place. Please come on, tell me your opinion. So Rama has given this kind of freedom. Or first opinion. First opinion is Sugriva opinion over. The second person, Ityavam Pariprishtaste, Swam Matam Atandritaha. Swam, their own opinion they started giving. Okay? Now, the second, Angada's opinion. You should not ask whose first opinion. Sugriva, he told first itself. Second, Angada comes. Angada, what is your opinion? Angada says, Shatro Sakata Sampraptaha Sarvata Tarki Evahi. Oh Lord Rama, he is coming from opposite side, Satru side. You should not believe him, have some suspicion. You have to have suspicious for that view on this fellow. Tarkiya, because he is coming from opposite side, you should not believe him. This is my opinion. Who told this? Angada. Then comes Sharaba, the one more great powerful monkey, Sharaba. Pranidaya hi charena. I think Rama, you send some spy. You send some spy, let them go on to talk with that people. Let them know about Vibhishana, then we can understand. See, this kind of opinion also, they will. When we ask some people, you tell your opinion, the opinion will be very, very ordinary opinion. At that time, we should not laugh. Okay? You send some spy and come to know about this Vibhishana. If you would have been there, you would have laughed. No. The opinion is opinion. When I ask opinion, what are opinion? They say, they have to listen. Send some spy and know about Vibhishana, then we can include. This is Saraba's opinion. Third point, Jambavan says that. So I have doubt in this fellow because Adesha Kale Sampra, without regard to this time, the time is not good time, the place is not good time. He must have come before itself. Why he has come now? Are you getting it? I think Ravana would have sent this fellow to take care of this team and he wanted to know through Vibhishana. The time and place is not right. This is Jambavan opinion. I think Rama, we should not include him. Okay. So, we put it in the dustbin, okay? Mainda, one more leader comes. Prichatam Madhurena Ayam. You send someone, our monkey should go and talk to them very nicely, very softly, and our monkey should understand what is there in Vibhishana's mind. Sometimes the new people come outside. From the house you go, who are you? Where are you coming from? What do you want? Oh, very nicely. Getting it. Madhurena ayam prichetam. Madhurena means very nicely you talk to that person. You understand what is there in their mind. Sometimes during the interview also we do like this. We try to understand that person's mind. That person is also playing very nicely. People, 4 or 5 people are sitting there. Where are you coming from? Here only. From here only. What you studied? Already there in the application. If I don't give you job, what will you do? I will try another company. If I give you, then you come to know who am I. You know this thing? Yes, I know. Tell me. And this and that. So they try, all the 5 or 6 people are sitting and they try to understand this person's attitude. You can understand his skill because he learned. He learned the information. You can get the information from this person. You can understand his skill, but it's very difficult to understand his attitude. But the people, those who are sitting in the interview, they want to understand the attitude. He's hiding his attitude. Getting it? Once if he joins the company, then only attitude comes. So it's very difficult to understand the attitude and very easy to understand this man's skill and information. So this is the person those who are doing interview, this is a challenge for them. We do not know. Once if you bring this fellow into the company, then only this person creates problem. Who interviewed this man? 5 people only. I didn't do. Now Angana style comes. It's very difficult. When you select some girl for your boy also, the girl is very nice. The boy also says, if I don't get her girl, I will die. And father says, I think you be careful. First do some interview, understand what that attitude. And from this family also, the boy looks very nice, but not nice. Be careful. Be getting it? It's very difficult to understand the heart part. But if the heart part only we have to understand. Because they may come and they may confuse the system. The same kind of problem, in Ramayana also we had. You getting it? This part you can apply anywhere in the world, anywhere in your life or that layers. Whether you get or that some girl for your boy, a boy for your boy. Oh, boy for your girl. I'm sorry. Boy for your girl. I get it. Somehow. But you have to understand their mind. Whether you receive some girl or you receive some boy for your children, you have to be a little careful. Suppose you want to select some CEO for your company, attitude. But it is very, very easy to understand the skill and the message, information. Because they are very informative. They have come for interview with all information, very easy. All the questions will be answered. If you ask anything, they will clarify all the problems. But whether this man is good or not, that part is very, very difficult. Because in the interview, I will show myself as Dharma Purusha number 2. Dharmika Purusha, the interview. But some people will have this kind of feeling in the interview panel. They have the feeling that when the person comes, some kind of feeling they have. The person is very nice person. Why? Heart has got some language to understand that heart. I think this person is very skillful person, very informative, but attitude-wise, I feel, you getting it? I think is different, I feel is different then. I think from the intellectual we can understand. From the feeling, I think the feeling is not good. You be careful, that's all. Even if you bring this fellow inside, just to have some eye on him. Okay? So how to bring this fellow inside? These are all the point. Prichatam Madhurena. Even if you speak very nicely, difficult to understand. So this is the Mainda's opinion. Send someone, let him speak, then come to know his mind what is it. Because when somebody wants to know our heart, it is nature that we will hide our nature. When we hide, somebody should find our nature. This is the tricks in life. It's very interesting. Because in the beginning, they show very nicely. When time goes up, at that time we will understand the real nature of that person. By the time we would have told all our life secret to that person. He also noted everything, made book. To understand the person's heart and attitude is very, very difficult. You should be little careful. Ramayana teaches. Now comes our Hanuman. What's Hanuman opinion? Hanuman says, Akaras chadyamanopi na shakyate niguhitum. So face is the index of mind. Facial expression of men can reveal his the nature. Hanuman says, Rama, just you call him, just look at his eyes and face, you can understand what he has got in his mind. Very, very practical. So from the face itself, we can understand the attitude. Face itself, you can understand the attitude. Face is the index of the mind, they say that. So what is inside? Suppose we hide something, okay? We hide something, but face is what is expressing that hiding also. You getting it? Suppose I am not happy, but I'm hey, you are not happy inside, but you are laughing. Is it? Even though you laugh outside, you show something, inside you are not good. We can recognize. In Tamil we say that, in Tamil Nadu we say that pumpkin, cover the pumpkin with the food, rice, cooked rice. Suppose you want to cover the pumpkin, the green color pumpkin. Cooked rice, you just cook the rice, make it paste and cover the pumpkin with the cooked rice. And you are telling, I covered pumpkin, nobody can see. Sir, the covered pumpkin is seen very clearly. Are you getting it? You can cover the pumpkin, but it is seen that pumpkin is covered. I don't know whether you got it or not. Even though you covered very nicely, but it's pumpkin, I know. Why? Size is like this. Even though we cover, we can, show our face, I covered something, you can see that. Hanuman says, face is the index of, you look at his face, you can understand. Very simple. No need to have any interview and all. If you have that kind of knack from the face, you can understand Hanuman's opinion. Then Rama comes here. Okay, thank you very much for your information. Rama says, thank you very much for your information. I have my own opinion. Sir, you should have told your opinion beginning it. Okay, Rama asks, what is your opinion? What is your opinion? Rama says, shall I tell my opinion? Rama, yes, sir, you can tell your opinion. Rama says, if he comes inside, whether he is a good person or right person, if he comes inside, I have the ability to take care of that person. You don't worry about it. When I interview the person, if he comes inside the company, if he makes a wrong thing, I know how to control this fellow. You don't worry. Okay? Sir, this person may come inside and make confused. I have the ability to take care of this fellow. You don't worry. The topmost leader has got that kind of ability that Dushtova, Adushtova, whether it's a wicked person or good person, Kimesha Rajanicharaha, Sukshmamapi Ahitam Kartum Avashakta Katanchana. He cannot do even an iota of bad thing in my company. Let him come. This is the confidence the top leader should have. You getting it? Yeah, you got it. Then Rama says that Angulyagrena Tan Hanyam Imam Ichan Ariganeshwara. I can hit with the tip of my little finger. I have this power. With the little finger I can hit Pishachan, Danavan, Yakshan, Pruthivyam, Chaiva, Rakshasan. Whether it is Rakshasa or Pishashi or Dhanava, whoever may come into my team, if they make some problem, I can hit them the tip of this my little finger. Angulya Agrena. This is my power, you don't worry. Then why you ask your opinion? So Rama says, I have the ability to handle this fellow. Let him come, we will include this Vibhishna in our team, okay? Mantro Vijayamulam hi Rajnyam Bhavati Raghava. This is a sloka from Ayodhya Ganda. When Rama met Bharata, he told many things. He told many things to Bharata. Bharata, Mantro, whatever the decision you are taking, you have discussion with your Mantri, then you take decision. He instructed Bharata, same thing Rama also did here. Getting it? The critical time, Rama used to have discussion with his ministers and he will take. Team building, how to build the team. When you include someone, the team may break. Without breaking the existing team, he includes one person, team building. Transparency is very, very important in any team. You should not hide. You have to be very, very transparency only keeps this team very, very spirited and very active. Transparency should be there. Suppose two people are talking about some money, especially somebody. Third person understands. When I come, they stop and they start other topic. This is the transparency. They will give resignation letter. I will go. Why? I don't want to stay here. Why? There is no transparency. You have to talk. Transparency means not talking everything to everyone. Excuse me. So within the team, transparency should be there. Everybody should know what is there. Open-hearted. Yeah, this is what happened. This is what. Transparency is very, very important. Great value in the team. Then the trust comes. Okay, then friendship comes. Joy among the members should be there. Cooperation among the members. Therefore, members' contribution to the system. When suppose our Rama did not ask all the people, if he takes his own decision, the joy will not there, cooperation will not there. Superficially they will cooperate. Behind they go and they sit in the canteen, they will talk bad about Rama. See, he came and he included. He didn't ask us. What kind of leader? It's okay. So I am a very little boy. But Rama would have asked our Jambavan. So you just push Jambavan and say, yeah, you are right. Getting it? Will sit somewhere in the canteen, talk bad about leader. When leader comes, we are talking about you only, boss, come. Talking about me bad or good? Good only, come sit. You're getting it? Joy will not be there, and no suppressed feelings of the members. When you ask their opinion, no suppressed feeling. So I have given you the chance, you express your opinion. Whether I take it or not, your opinion is considered. All the people's opinion is considered. He has taken everything, and he also gave his opinion. Finally, some decision has been taken. Okay? See the democratic approach of Rama. This is not autocratic leadership. Democratic, just you pour your idea. I also give. Then I will give you assurance that I will take care of you, don't worry. Getting it or not? Decision making. So Angada kind of decision making, okay, that is subordinate level. Boss kind of decision making, this is top level. You getting it? If you take decision at the top level, like Rama I have to. If you take decision at bottom level, we have to go with Angada. So wherever we take decision, we have place in our Purana Itihas. We have this Ramayana 12 lakhs years back in Treta Yuga. They demonstrated. Generally, we are extracting the ideas for our day-to-day life. Okay? Yeah. Managing different personalities. Just we don't have time, just 5 minutes, I will run, okay? Because I want to complete this syllabus. Managing. Our Rama was managing Lakshmana, Sugriva, Angada, Neela, Nala, Hanuman, Jambavan, Vibhishana, all this people, team during the work. So he managed all this personality. We also should manage all different personalities in life. During the work, they will be there. After the work also, Rama had this team. In our case, during the work, they will be there. After the work, nobody will be there. All resigned and went away. But successfully, I have done the task. Task is over, nobody is there, everybody resigned. In Rama's case, during the task, they were there. After the task also, they were there. So handling different personalities, okay? Okay, inside. Coming together is beginning, remaining together is progress, working together is success. This is a leadership quality. A leader's emotional balance. Rama's life situation, he lived in forest 14 years. He died, father died when he was in forest. He did not see his father's face. And brother is suffering there 14 years. Okay, Bharata, Sugriva, Sadrugna, wife separated, and friends commitment. So now Jatayu, people like Jatayu died for Rama. Time limit to complete the task before 1 month. If you don't, Rama doesn't go there, Sita also will die. When Sita dies, when he doesn't go to Ayodhya, Bharata also will die. Time is giving pressure. Okay, all this pressure. Now see, this much pressure he has got in his life, stress. And keeping the stress, even if you have only one stress, we are finished. Rama's got so many stress. With this stress, he had the Jarayu's cremation. He went to Sabari's ashram to bless her with all the stress. He might have cancelled, program cancelled. Sabari, I am not coming to her ashram to bless you. I am sorry. Why? I lost my wife. With this pressure, he went to Sabari's ashram to bless. In our case, cancel all the program. Why stress? With this stress, you should learn. With the balance, what that? What do you call them? Emotional balance of Rama. Blessings. Killing Kabanda and Virada. Sugriva tested him and he got pass mark from Sugriva. Sugriva gave him 100 mark. Dundubiye Kayamuttam, very good. Salavriksha hitting, very good. Rama, I accept that you can kill Vali. Come on, come with me, follow me. Sugriva. Lakshmana gets angry. What is this? Sugriva is having exam. Rama is writing exam. He has to write. Okay, for develop friendship. Killing Vali and explaining Dharma. Inception of Vibhishana. He has to have meeting with all the people. Building the bridge across the country. We will not build. We will not take even single work when we are stressed. With stress only, all the tasks of life, the Rama executed. Everybody should learn this from Rama. With stress. Have stress this side and work. When you work, we will forget stress actually. When we think about stress, we will be more stressed. So stress management from Ramayana. Okay? war with Rama. So this all kinds of stress he did war also. Okay. So Rama's mental balance, control over the emotions, stress management, and no emotional decision. When we are emotional, we should not take decision. But 99% will take decision when you are emotional. Sir, I don't want to work in this company. See, this is my resignation letter. Okay, I will send it through WhatsApp, sir. I will go. Where will you go? No, nobody will receive you. I will do. I know how to take care of my life. Hereafter I don't. Because you doubted me, you doubted my integrity. So when you are emotional, don't take decision. When you are emotional, get out of the company, take 2 days leave, go somewhere, roam. When you come back, by the time you settle down, you say, I'm sorry, sir. Okay. Simple thing, when you are emotional, don't take decision, that's all. Don't take this. Even you are emotional, at 100% don't take decision. Because during emotional stage, we will take all wrong decisions only. So what should we do? Get out of that place 2-3 days. From my home, for home it's 1 week, okay. Get out. And when we, if we are relaxed, then we will come out of the emotions. I'm sorry, I should not have done it. Then we will reflect, we will come out. Okay. We have to learn from balance between emotion and work. And okay. So Gurudev's secret of success in life lies in keeping the head above the storms of heart. Emotion should not disturb us. Okay. Okay, you understood. You have to understand why time is like that. Rama acknowledged all the monkeys, okay? Sugriva, Angada, Hanuman, Jambavan, Vibhishana. So after the war, he asked Sugriva, you give all this, he has given, is Ranganatha, Lord Ranganatha was worshipped by Dasaratha and Rama. Rama gave this Ranganatha, Lord Ranganatha temple to Vibhishana. You just take and worship Lord Ranganatha. When he on the way, he kept it Srirangam. So Lord did not come with Sugriva. He said, daily you come from Lanka, you worship me. Okay. So Lord Ranganatha was given to Sugriva, given to Vibhishana to worship by Rama. This is Guru photo of Rama after. But this is Guru photo. All the people together. Only this much can accommodate that frame. And Rama, recognized and gave all the Abharana, Bhushan to all the monkeys. All the monkeys he just recognized. He recognized in Sri Lanka. Afterwards, during the coronation period also in the Ayodhya, he recognized. Only one thing I tell you, write down. Yatarham Pujitaha. All the monkeys were honored with royal clothes and ornaments accordingly. Whom to call first. Whenever you recognize whom to call first, what kind of, the memento we have to give. That is very important. The person who has done so much, big memento. The person who has done very little memento. Are you getting it? So according to their work, we have to recognize. That is very important from Ramayana. Sometimes what happens, the ordinary person will call first. The important person, oh, I have forgotten, I am very sorry. Now I am calling that person. Finished. That is the last program for them, they will not come next time. That's why Rama, Yatarham Pratipujitaha. Accordingly, we have to do this kind of recognition. Very, very practical point from Ramayana. Okay? And recognize. Words of price must be exhibited. Members become more committed to their job when we recognize. We should not say, according to Bhagavad Gita, you do your work, don't expect anything. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. That will be the last program for us also. So we practice what the Bhagavad Gita not expecting. We cannot ask other people to what they don't expect. They are on the way. They expect something. We have to recognize their work. Okay? Should be scheduled properly. And delayed appreciation is not valued. So last month you did, now only they must have forgotten that. Immediately when before the heat goes, you have to recognize. So you have to learn from Ramayana. Okay? Equip yourself with values to lead, manage yourself to manage others. Now when we come here, so we met our Nayarji, he told that so many years back Gurudev came and gave talk. Manage yourself to manage others. It's Gurudev's talk, our Swami Chinmayanji talk here in AMA. So finally, manage yourself to managers. Rakshita swasya dharmasya swajanasya rakshita. First, Rama managed himself, he practiced dharma himself, then he allowed other people to practice dharma. Then only otherwise will like, first you follow, then you tell me. This is the statement from all the citizens. Rama, first he went to forest 14 years, he just followed and came back, he executed dharma, expected other people to execute dharma. Value based manager, okay? Yadid acharati sreshtaha, taddadevataro janaha, sayat pramanam kurude, logas tadanu. This is the practical management sloka from Bhagavad Gita, okay? Then all this, the 16 values I told you first day. I only told you first day. 16 values, this I have given here. All the values Rama had, 16 values, okay? Yeah. I will give you this with the slides. That's it. Action speaks 1,000 times. No need to, Rama exhibited his values. He will not say, I am a dharmic person. No. When Rama walks, dharmika purusha, action. Manage yourself before manage others. Transformation, leadership, Rama's leadership. Okay? Om Tat Sat. Thank you very much. So this slide I will, thank you very much. So I will give all the 20 points. This is 20 match like 20 points. I will give it to our Preeti Ben and she will share with you all. So day wise I have 6 PPT, 6 days. So whatever I covered first day, only first day PPT like the 6 days. No need to. So you can change and you can add, you can delete completely also. So you can get from it. Thank you very much for your great support and you are coming daily and attending this. So I have to thank all the people, all very great, very nice team we have in Ahmedabad. Particularly I have to thank Preeti Ben. More than 1 year she has been calling me, come here. So I have a lot of work. I could make this. Thank you very much. So thanking our Rajika Ben. Every day she is giving information. Very nice quality I have seen in her. When I entered, she is getting out of that mic. She is not attached with the mic. It was a great, very great value. Very great, I never seen. Once if you get mic, it's very difficult to get up. 1 minute, 5 minutes. Powerful value. Thank you very much for your service. I am not able to answer this. I think you would have got that message from this. 2 questions I got. Otherwise, after this class I will come, then I will answer. Okay? Thank you. I like you all very much, very good. You came every day and you received. Without boring, I made little, all this action, this and that, mono action. All this. Next time when I come, I will bring a few more material, okay? To show you the demo also. Next time. Next time when I come, will you come here? Yes. Yeah. Thank you very much. So may God bless you, Gurudev bless you, Bhagavan Valmiki bless you, Rama bless you, to have all the information for your successful life. Hari Om. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasye Purnamadaya Purnameva Vasishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hari Om Shri Gurubhyo Namah. Hari Om.